Simplify all the mixed number first. 8 by 3, 7 by 3, 13 over 7, 11 over 2. You have three symbols: addition, multiplication, division. Which one to solve first in case of fractions? I write BODMAS like this so that we know division and multiplication have same priority and addition and subtraction also same priority. In this question we have both multiplication and division, so start solving the question from left to right. Whichever comes first, solve it. In this question, first comes multiplication. So 7 by 3 multiplied 13 by 7. 7 and 7 will be cancelled. So it's 8 by 3 plus 13 by 3 division 11 over 2. Between addition and division, division has higher priority and division of a fraction means multiplication by its reciprocal. So this becomes 8 by 3 plus 26 by 33. For addition, take the denominator as LCM of 3 and 33, which is 33. 8 into 11 plus 26. This becomes 38 over 11 or 3 5 by 11.